Michelle here and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna be talking about legit online jobs or home-based jobs for beginners. So if you want to see more of this video and if you want to learn more, then just keep on watching. So Shanks, if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you're just building up your career online. I mean, siguro newbie ka pa and you wanna learn more about the process, paano ba mag-apply, or paano ka makakapag-build up ng career mo online. So, this video is perfect kasi this will serve as introduction, parang explanation, overview of what online job really is. So, just a disclaimer you guys, I'm not an expert, I'm not 100% expert sa mga lahat ng detalye when it comes to online jobs. I'm just basing from my own experience kasi sobrang broad, as in sobrang broad ng topic when it comes to online jobs. Ang daming detalye na pwede kong ma-share sa inyo, but yun nga, I'm just basing from my own experience. So, yun, okay? So, first things first, what is online job or home-based job? So, from the name itself, home-based, it's just the same when you're working for a company na yung like sa mga local companies out there. But then, yung difference lang niya is nasa bahay ka lang. You just need your computer and a reliable internet connection. So, pinaka-importante talaga yon. And online job is like mga 97 or 96 to 97% of the employers are from outside the Philippines. So, makikita mo, if you search online, usually makikita mo may mga salary na in dollars, like Canadian dollars, Hong Kong dollars, or yung mga iba-iba yung currency. So, yun. It's just the same kasi if you're working like on a local company, it's just the same kasi may shift ka rin na dapat sundin, may mga tasks ka everyday na dapat mong tapusin, and yun nga, ang kaibahan lang is nasa bahay ka lang. Which is very perfect for stay-at-home moms kasi kahit nasa bahay ka lang, pwede kang kumita. Okay? So, yun. Online job for beginners. Yung pinaka-focus natin ngayon is kung ano ba yung job na pwede nyong pag-applyan. So, of course, kailangan mo of course, you need some skills. Like, if you're a beginner, kailangan mo lang like yung Microsoft na software. Dapat kabisado mo yon. And of course, kailangan marunong ka speak ng English kasi that's the language that you will be using to communicate with your employer. For beginners, ang masasabi ko lang is yung pinaka-suit na position for you is virtual assistant. So, under sa virtual assistant, maraming trabaho yan. Like, pwede kang data entry, online research, email handling, ano pa ba? Pwede rin graphic designing, social media marketing. Sobrang dami ng mga tasks or like, sobrang daming tasks na under dyan sa VA. So, here's the thing, you guys. If you are an IT graduate, of course, mas marami yung opportunities for you. Kasi, lalo na if you know programming very well, then kahit beginner ka pa lang, sobrang dali mo lang makakita ng trabaho online. But, yun nga, as I've said, if wala ka pa talagang experience, and kahit graphic designing, wala kang alam, so yun, pinaka-perfect sa'yo is VA, like data entry, and if you like writing, you can do article writing, yung mga ganon. So, that's the perfect position or job for you. So, look for that and apply for that position kasi sobrang carry lang yan. And then you can build your skills from there. Like, wag ka lang mag-focus sa isang tasks. Sasabihin ko sa inyo guys, 99% of the tasks, mga online jobs, makikita mo talaga online din. Like, you can Google search it, YouTube, manood ka ng mga tutorials and all para mas maging wide yung knowledge mo. And then, saan ka makakita ng online job? Trusted sites of home-based job postings. So, ito siyang very important. Be very vigilant with finding jobs online, lalo na sa Facebook. Nako, sobrang daming fraud dyan. You will render your efforts, you will render how many hours of work, and then yung ending after a few days, yung if it's time na for your salary, hindi mo na makokontak yung employer mo. So, that's really very important. Be very careful, be very vigilant when applying for a position. I-search mo yung company, kung anong sabi niyang company niya. I-search mo online if it's legit, kung nag-i-exist ba talaga yung company na yon and all. So, yeah, kasi ang dami-daming scams dyan, and sayang din naman yung effort mo if hindi ka mababayaran, 'di ba? Importante na talaga yung job postings is dun sa mga trusted na mga websites. So, dalawa lang yung i-share ko sa inyo ng mga links. Please jot down and take note of this para may guide kayo. I'm pretty sure marami pa naman dyang ibang sites, but ito yung mga ginagamit ko talaga even before, proven and tested ko na siya. So, i-share ko siya sa inyo. Odes.com. I forgot odes.com or odes.com.ph, but anyways, ngayon, upwork.com na yung link niya. Parang nag-change name sila. I'll just put somewhere on the screen para may guide kayo. And then, Onlinejobs.ph. Itong Onlinejobs.ph, ito talaga yung dito talaga ako nakahanap ng employers. I mean, from my 10 years of experience, iba-iba yung employer ko dyan. Nagsettle lang ako sa isang employer like 5 years ago, and up until now, doon nagtatrabaho ako sa company na yon. So, yon. Things that you will be needing to create an account online. So, first things first, number 1, you will be needing an email account. Preferably Gmail, kasi mas convenient if Gmail kasi yung gamitin nyo. But you can still use your existing Yahoo account. Pero you can always create one sa Gmail. It's very easy. If you want me to create a tutorial video for you, then I can do that. But you can search online naman, like sa YouTube, search mo lang, may maraming tutorials dyan na pwede mong gawing guide para gumawa ng isang Gmail account. And then Skype ID, that's very important because Skype is, aside sa email, that will be your means of communication sa employer mo. So, yeah, you need a Skype ID or Skype account. And number 3 is an activated PayPal account. So, yung PayPal is doon isi-send ng employer mo yung salary mo. Although, there are still lots of options naman like Western Union, but yung pinaka-convenient kasi internationally kapag nagsisend ka ng money is PayPal. So, mas okay if you will work on that. Prepare your PayPal account, yung activated na, para hindi ka na magka-problema. Diretso-diretso na yung, like, pag-send ng salary and pag-withdraw mo. So, yun. Okay, so how does Onlinejobs.ph and Odes or Upwork work? So, basically, Onlinejobs.ph and Upwork, para silang social media account. Like, for example, Facebook, di ba, may profile ka, gagawa ka ng profile sa Facebook, nakalagay doon yung name mo, birthday, and other things about you. And then, yung online jobs is just the same. Gagawa ka rin ng profile, but yung profile mo naman is parang resume mo siya, online resume mo siya, where you will put your work experience, yung mga skills mo. So, parang magpapakitang gilas ka talaga sa resume mo doon, sa profile mo doon, para eye-catching siya sa mga employers. Although, I would suggest that you guys should create an honest, as much as possible, an honest account. Huwag kayong magsabi na like, you know this task, kahit hindi mo naman talaga siya alam. Kasi, that's very off if ibibigay nga sa'yo, like, for, let's say, ma-hire ka nga ng isang employer and then ibigay yung task na hindi mo pala alam but nilagay mo sa profile mo na alam mo. And then, biglang, hindi ko alam paano siya gawin. So, that's very off to your employer. So, wag nyo namang sobrahan. Wag nyong pasobrahan yung, profile mo. Just be honest as much as possible. So, yeah. And then, may mga job postings doon. So, you can apply for certain companies or certain employers. But, may mga times din na yung employers mismo ang mag-i-email sa'yo. Sila yung magko-contact sa'yo, i-offer yung, or isi-send sa inyo yung job posting nila, and if you're interested ba to apply for that position, may mga ganong instances. So, you have to constantly check your Gmail account para wala kang ma-miss na email. So, baka isang araw lang, hindi mo ma-replyan yung employer, may na-hire na siya. So, parang ganon, you need to check your email constantly para wala kang email from employers na ma-miss. And then, working hours. So, may part-time and may full-time. So, part-time is usually 20 hours a week. And yung full-time naman is 40 hours a week. So, ilalagay mo dun kung ano yung gusto mo. Gusto mo lang ba ng part-time or gusto mo talaga full-time. So, ilalagay mo rin dun sa profile mo kung ilang hours ang pwede mong ma-render in a week. So, yun. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye! God bless everyone!